You're listening to Haywaa.com. Here is the latest news. Millions of smartphone users may face risk from the SMS sign-in URL issue. Here's what to watch for. Researchers studied over 322,000 URLs from 33 million SMS messages tied to 30,000 numbers, highlighting long-term security risks. They found these links were still active for months or years, risking exposure of sensitive user data across at least 177 services. Only 18 of about 150 contacted providers acknowledge the weaknesses, while the reliance on SMS authentication continues to expose millions. The researchers reported low entropy in tokens, making it simple for attackers to guess valid links and gain unauthorized access to users' accounts. Is AI adoption at work plateauing? A major survey suggests this, but it's not the end yet. Recent research by Gallup suggests that AI adoption at workplaces might be stabilizing after an initial surge of interest, with daily AI usage only rising by 2 percentage points in late 2025. Despite half of U.S. workers never engaging with AI, its adoption is concentrated in tech, finance, and professional sectors. Remote-capable roles saw the most significant increase from 28% in 2023 to 66% in 2025, highlighting a division in deployment versus actual usage. A Hitachi Vantara study found that 98% of companies are engaging with AI, yet a majority gain zero returns due to lacking infrastructure and data quality, emphasizing the need for trusted data and governance. French president targets American platforms and Chinese algorithms as France plans social media ban for under 15s. France's National Assembly has voted 116 to 23 in favor of an initiative that would ban minors under 15 from accessing social media platforms. President Emmanuel Macron expressed concerns about American platforms and Chinese algorithms influencing youth's emotions. The bill needs approval from the French Senate and may face resistance under European law, similar to earlier instances. Despite mixed reactions from constituents and international counterparts, multiple EU countries are exploring similar legislative actions. Sam Altman notes that OpenAI is slowing hiring due to financial constraints. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has informed staff of a slowdown in hiring owing to financial constraints as investments in AI become dearer. Despite generating significant interest and use of its AI product, ChatGPT, investments in data center infrastructure require immense capital. With a cash burn rate concerning experts, OpenAI plans to sustain its workforce's expansion, but at a moderated pace. Altman's decision reflects broader industry caution amid rising unemployment and investor apprehension about AI's yield on investments. A report suggests Samsung, SK Hynix, and SanDisk plan to double NAND memory chip prices this year. Samsung, SK Hynix, and SanDisk are set to double NAND memory chip prices throughout 2026 as AI demands spike. According to Digitimes, Samsung aims to double its NAND chip prices within the first quarter of the year due to shrinking supply and rising AI-driven demand. As prices continue to climb, many SSDs have tripled in price since last summer. Current increases hint that more price hikes might occur if the proposed changes are not already reflected. Use your Unistellar telescope to help protect Earth from asteroids. Unistellar's citizen science program empowers amateur astronomers to assist in planetary defense using smart telescopes. Through this program, participants can engage in observing a range of celestial events, including asteroid occultations and exoplanet transits. The extensive network of citizen scientists allows for valuable data collection that supports professional astronomical studies. Known for its role in validating NASA's DART mission results, the program exemplifies successful citizen involvement in scientific research. OpenAI unveils Prism, a new AI workspace designed for scientists. OpenAI has introduced Prism, an innovative AI workspace crafted specifically for scientists, available without cost to anyone with a ChatGPT account. This tool, built with GPT 5.2 integration, enhances scientific research by evaluating claims, revising text, and identifying prior studies, yet it requires human guidance for conducting research. Prism includes support for LaTeX for document formatting and allows the creation of diagrams from online drawings, vastly expanding on traditional LaTeX capabilities. Kevin Weil of OpenAI highlights the potential for AI and science growth comparable to the recent advances seen in software engineering. $900 million lawsuit alleging Steam overcharged UK gamers and misused its market dominance will proceed after Valve loses appeal. Valve is embroiled in a $900 million lawsuit in the UK, accused of using Steam's dominance to enforce higher prices and stifle competition. The suit, on behalf of 14 million UK consumers, led by Vicky Shotbolt, claims Valve's practices prevent lower pricing elsewhere and mandates game add-ons be purchased through Steam. Valve's efforts to dismiss the case, citing technical grounds and eligibility challenges, were denied by a UK tribunal. This legal challenge mirrors a similar U.S. action started in 2021 and is still ongoing. Sennheiser introduces new wired headphone and earbud models. Sennheiser has introduced the CX80U wired earbuds and HD400U wired over-ear headphones, catering to those who prefer wired devices. These new models feature a USB-C connection rather than the traditional 3.5mm audio jack, making them compatible with a wide variety of devices. The CX80U earbuds are priced at $40, while the HD400U headphones sell for $100, both offering 24-bit, 96 kHz digital audio playback. These entry-level releases are available starting today, intended to appeal to the price-conscious consumer. Astronomers find more than 800 cosmic anomalies with a new AI tool. Astronomers David O'Ryan and Pablo Gomez at the European Space Agency created Anomaly Match, an AI tool to analyze cosmic data. It processed around 100 million image cutouts from the Hubble Legacy Archive in just 2.5 days, identifying 1,400 anomalous objects. Among these, more than 800 were previously undocumented, showcasing the AI's potential to uncover hidden cosmic phenomena. While the AI's work is impressive, human validation is still required to confirm these findings. Anthropic reportedly increased its latest funding round to $20 billion. Anthropic has decided to increase its latest funding round goal from $10 billion to $20 billion. This move comes in response to heightened interest from investors and will result in the company being valued at $350 billion. Key investors reportedly include Sequoia Capital, Singapore's sovereign wealth fund, and Coatue. Last year, Anthropic took initial steps towards a potential IPO by hiring legal counsel following a significant $13 billion fundraise, which marked a valuation of $183 billion. Microsoft launches open-source tools for quantum computing to help everyone learn the next-gen technology. Microsoft introduces open-source tools for quantum computing to ease access to next-gen technology for developers. The Quantum Development Kit lets developers create quantum applications with integration of VS Code and GitHub Copilot. Quantum chemistry workflows and error correction modules are crucial for optimizing circuits and tasks. These tools leverage Azure Cloud infrastructure to connect with remote quantum hardware, facilitating learning and experimentation. Adobe Photoshop enhances its generative AI editing tools powered by Firefly. Adobe Photoshop has updated its generative AI editing tools powered by the Firefly platform to enhance functionalities like generative fill and expand. These updates promise improved image editing by generating 2K resolution results with better prompt matching and fewer artifacts. A key enhancement includes the reference image option, delivering geometry-aware outcomes, while a new dynamic text feature is introduced in beta. Also, new adjustment layers for clarity, dehaze, and grain are available for non-destructive edits. Is 5G or 6G necessary? A breakthrough sends data at 15 gigabytes per second, enough for a weekend of movies. Researchers at the University of California, Irvine developed a groundbreaking wireless transceiver operating at 140 gigahertz to achieve data rates of 15 gigabytes per second, outperforming current consumer systems. This figure is 300% higher than Wi-Fi 7 and 2,300% higher than 5G mmWave, marking a significant leap over existing wireless tech capabilities. By using analog signal processing and 3 synchronized subtransmitters, the transceiver drastically reduces energy consumption while maintaining extreme data rates, consuming only 230 milliwatts. This advancement suggests potential short-range wireless alternatives to fiber optics, though widespread adoption depends on overcoming current challenges like range extension and network integration. It's official. EVs outsold gas cars in Europe for the first time. Here are 3 reasons why. In December 2025, electric vehicles surpassed petrol cars in sales across Europe, marking a significant milestone. Though hybrids were the most popular choice throughout the year, electric vehicles are swiftly gaining ground. Petrol car registrations fell significantly by 18.7%, and diesel sales plunged even further with a 24.2% drop. The availability of diverse and affordable electric models has been a key factor driving this shift toward electrification. Mark Zuckerberg initially opposed parental controls for AI chatbots, according to a legal filing. Internal communications from the New Mexico Attorney General's office show CEO Mark Zuckerberg resisted implementing parental controls on Meta's AI chatbots. Despite concerns about explicit interactions with minors, Zuckerberg reportedly preferred looser safeguards, leading to controversial chatbot behavior. An investigation by the Wall Street Journal found chatbots engaging in fantasy sex conversations with minors. Due to growing scrutiny, Meta suspended teen access and is now developing new parental controls. You've just heard the latest news. Thanks for listening. This is Haywaa.com.